I'm Mason. I'm a maintainer in Argo Workflows, filling in for Alan, the project lead, and I work at Adobe. So I thought I'd give a little update. So this year has been really busy. We got 48 new contributors, 20 releases, no star updates. I don't really care about stars, honestly, but we do have a lot of stars. I actually just realized I have not started Argo CD, so sorry about that. I'll go do that right after this. But we have 3 new reviewers, Tim, William, and Eduardo. So welcome to the team. They've been doing great work. And improvers, we have this guy. I don't know about him. Honestly, I don't know why they let him in the club. But, you know, new improver, always good. Argo, our latest minor release is 3.7, which is probably going to be the last one in the 3 series we're currently planning for 4.0. And it's got a lot of features and fixes. And Isatha, a co-maintainer, has a blog post on the Argo blog where you can read all about it, so go read about. And I thought I'd highlight just a few of the features I found interesting. One of the coolest things for me is to be able to visualize the workflows before submitting, since Argo Workflows, of course, uses YAML files, which can be kind of hard to parse, especially when you have a lot of nested DAG or steps. And this lets you see exactly what is how it's going to execute. And also a great way of catching errors that in your workflow, because I'm sure everyone here has had the experience of making an indentation error in a YAML and then having things break, which if it gets caught before by the schema validation, it's fine. What's really annoying is when it passes validation and then doesn't do what you expect. And what this feature does is let you see what it's going to do, and that can let you catch those errors quickly. Another feature is from Cyrum on my team at Adobe, allowing to pre-fill workflow parameters. And it's a small feature, but it's really helpful. This is motivated by a need for, at Adobe, we use Argo Workflows for orchestrating build deploys. And some of those have the full CI/CD where it's all automatic. Some of the older projects don't have it fully automatic for reasons. And so we have to have some manual steps. And the manual steps involves going to this URL, filling out these things, and clicking submit. Well, with this, we can just say, go to this URL and click submit. You can automatically fill any arbitrary parameter from the URL. Another feature is ability to do markdown and titles and descriptions. And one of the nicest things about this is to let you have detailed instructions for your workflows for like non-technical people, because obviously Argo Workflows is kind of the main audience is developers who are going to use it, but sometimes you want to have workflows that you want to be usable and submittable by non-technical people, and having detailed descriptions in Markdown is a great way of doing that. So thanks to Panic Boat for that. And the final thing, which is not really Argo Workflows 3.7 thing, but is our development environment. So we have a development environment based on dev containers, which, if you didn't know, that's the standard promoted by Microsoft to have Docker-based development environments. That part's not new. What is new is that we now have a pipeline to pre-build the image, and that means that you can have a full-fledged development environment in about 90 seconds. From the point you open VS Code to the point you click open a container, you can have a full development environment. And one of the nicer things is with the integration with GitHub Codespaces, which is GitHub's cloud development platform that's based on dev containers. And this has been a great way of lowering the barrier to entry for contributing, because you can go to Argo Workflows and click Create Codespace, and within a few minutes, you can have a full-fledged development environment hosted in the cloud. You don't have to have a fast laptop or really a laptop at all. Just any device that connects to the internet can get you a full-fledged development environment, and that's what I'm showing here. And that's also one of the best ways I found to do pair programming, because there's a nice extension called LiveShare where you can share your code space and collaborate on it. Don't have time to show that now, but if you're interested, come find me later and I'm happy to show it to you. So with that, I will pass it to Zach.